Red Bull Verzasca Run is bringing parkour back to nature. If you look at this place, this is what life is all about. Surrounded by so much nature and enjoying it and being a part of that. That's what life is all about. I mean, I feel like I live life to the max because I use my full body to its full potential, and I'm using this environment to its full potential. So I'm using life to its full potential.
The special thing about the Red Bull Verzasca Run is the difference between urban cities and the mountains and the rocks. You have so much different jumps at this river, what you can do, what you can't do in the city.
I think free running is born in the nature and it has to go back. It's a new experience for all of us.
It's really different. I really like to jump on the rock and with the water. It's really a perfect place for me. This place is really good.
What I like about this place is that it's a different mental geometry. You have to think completely differently to the city. I think Switzerland is an epic place to train.
It's a really beautiful place with a really good spirit, and for jump it's really different of the city.
No one came to the idea to search an amazing place like this. I like the Verzasca place. It's one of the best things in the world to move down this river. The Red Bull Verzasca Run is definitely not a competition. We always help each other and it's all a teamwork. If he is scared, we are 3 people to hold his hands.
When you actually come here and you see how big the rocks are and how big the water is, and you realize how big nature is, and that we are so small and we really don't affect this planet very much, it's just amazing.